Hey, what's going on? It's Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan Hotels. Today, we're going to be talking about how losing customers can increase your revenue. Let's get it.
It was prophesied that another Jordan will be born who will be greater than Michael Jordan, but he won't be the MJ of basketball. He will be the MJ of hotels.
Prophecy fulfilled. This episode was brought to you by the Hotel Revenue Bible, the #1 hotel revenue book that has ever been written. It includes revenue management, digital ads, social media marketing, sales, catering, F&B, and more. Grab your copy today at hotelrevenuebible.com. Believe it or not, there's going to be a point in time where losing customers is actually going to be an increase in revenue for you. When we lose one customer, we gain another customer, especially when it comes to type of customers. Let me give you an example. A hotel, it was the economy hotel. The rates were like $40, $50 a night. Gentrification doesn't just happen in urban areas. It happens in the hotel business too. The city starts to develop, and the powers that be, usually the investors, see that they can go after a new type of customer, or this type of hotel isn't inside that market. So they take the hotel that they have and they convert it into something bigger and better with the renovation. And that renovation brings a higher ticket price or a higher ticket franchise model. So that's what they did. They took that, they invested a couple $1 million. They took that hotel, turned it from an economy hotel to a luxury-ish brand hotel. I'm going to say a lifestyle brand hotel. And when they did that conversion, their rate went from $50 a night to $200 a night. The problem is that other customer didn't come back. Like the $50 a night customer say, okay, you know what, I'm going to pay $200 a night. No, they lost that customer to gain a new one. There's going to be times that you make investments in hotels, or you see market changes in the market, or the market shifting, that you're going to have to say bye to your old customer and hello to a new type of customer. So you're going to lose old customers to make more money. This happened to me a couple of times. I came into a property. It wasn't being ran properly. I think that's the best way to describe it. Wasn't being ran properly, and I couldn't continue to keep the same type of customer that I had and keep that property afloat because it just wasn't working. So I had to deny a lot of the other old customers that I had before because they wanted the hotel at a lower price that was no longer available because the market didn't allow it. Like no one's going to, I had to push rates. So I had to push the rates up because that's what the market commanded. The old ownership or the old management, they could care less about the market. They seen the hotel through old eyes. They couldn't see the new market shift that was happening and the change in the customer. So in their mind, of course, they wasn't revenue manager or revenue management experts or hotel revenue experts. In their mind, this is all this hotel is worth, and this is what the price is going to be, and we're not going to do anything about it. So after I got rid of them, I start pushing the rates up, and I start going after a different type of business that they never went after before. I start pushing the quality up. Just to give you an idea, they were giving housekeepers like 20, 30 rooms a day. Okay, and of course, you know what happens when you do that to a housekeeper. 4 o'clock comes, see ya. They're gonna probably change the sheets if you're lucky. I stopped all of that. So in order to get that new type of customer, you can't be the same hotel. There's going to be some changes that you're going to have to make. But once those changes are made, it's better to fire your old customer once you secure the business. The good thing is that everybody liked the new changes. And you will still see those old customers trying to come back in and say, hey, I used to pay this. I used to pay that. I'm like, well, this is not the whole same hotel. It's under new management. The quality is much better. Food quality is better. Everything is better. You don't get more for less. you get more for more. So if you want more, we're perfect for you. But if you want more for less, we're not the hotel for you. All right. And this is how you double revenue. You do it by being better, getting rid of the old crowd, bringing in the better crowd, and making it happen. So don't be afraid to lose a customer to get a higher paying customer. This is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan Hotel, signing out. Hey, what's going on? It's Bruce Jordan, the Hotel Revenue Expert. I just want to take a quick second to thank you for watching this video. If you could just do us a big favor and just subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more videos like this, more information, great information about hotels. I'm also the author of the Hotel Revenue Bible. You can get that book on hotelrevenuebible.com. And we are here to answer all your questions. So if you have any questions, just shoot us a quick text at 321-321-2002. That's 321-321-2002. And you can book a revenue call. Go to hotelrevenuecall.com and we can answer any and all your questions. Just make an appointment with me. You'll do one-on-one with me. You'll be able to do one-on-one with me, and we could go ahead and get all your questions answered and see if you have any revenue issues that needs to be resolved. Talk to you soon. Thank you again. Hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate you.